The CWA's Speed Matters test, it tests the real-time connectivity, and this year's results were 5.1 megabits per second. That was a slight improvement over last year, but we're still way behind the rest of the world. The fact is that as technology changes and there will be more people, especially as baby boomers age, that will be worried about medical programs and medical care available to home. More and more people are concerned about opening up home businesses and having the ability to send and receive large files. And more people are interested in doing distance learning. And a lot of times it's multimedia, so you need more speed available. The reason the internet speeds are so slow in this country, we think the main reason is the fact that we don't have a national plan in place. And every other industrialized nation has a plan in place that have helped them put infrastructure in place that creates the kind of speeds that they have. One of the important pieces and that makes a difference from state to state is the fact that they again have a plan, or in many cases they have public-private plans in place. And Connect Ohio is a very, very good example of that. So they go through broadband mapping and figure out what speeds are out there, where they have broadband, where they don't, what kind of technology is available, and that starts to lay the groundwork so a plan can be put together. We would like to see these kind of models more prevalent across this country.